been a while.
कैसे हो man? I was
बढ़िया
waiting
बढ़िया.
for you to unmute me. मेरे बाल नहीं बन रहे. It's one of those bad habits. कोई बात नहीं. इसको बाल बनाने की.
Good to see you, man. Good to see you.
Yeah. कैसे? How are you guys doing, man? So many people. So many people. Can I see how
And
many screens are there? 2 screens there. And I see Sahaj, I can see. Mihir, I can see. Prithvi, I can see. Laksh, I can see. Anirudh, I can see. Rishabh, Ayush, Suyush. Ashish got my cap on. क्या बात है? Vineet, Akshat, Sahil, Roop, Pratham, Yash, Harsh, Ansh, Zaid, Yogesh, and suddenly the screen changed. Geet, Aritra. I have a couple ones without names. Vivek, Roop Singh, and let me go to the next page and say hi to everybody. Yogesh, oh, been there. Vivek is there. Roop, Kopal, Rajan sir, Karan is my guy, I guess. Snehal, Abhay is connecting and trying to. Okay, are you going to unmute somebody so I can speak to someone, man?
so
This is a
you're gonna be speaking to me for now. Hi, Vineet here. Vineet Vincent.
I'm trying to. Oh, okay. Finally, I spot you, my brother. कैसे
What's
हो
up,
आप?
man?
I like your setup, though, man.
Very good, very good. Thank you very much. How you been, man? How's the lockdown treating you?
Really great, man. It gives you a really, it gave me the much needed time to sit down, relax, and take life one step at a time because we are constantly running. हम
Right,
सबको ऐसा लगता है there is some sort of a weird marathon sprint happening, and everybody has to run fast.
right,
Kids want to make it really faster. Uh, just give us the pause, man.
right. How is it like not having to travel, not having to live in hotel rooms, flights, just staying in one place now? What is that like?
Yo, भाई initially तो ऐसे मजा आ रहा था कि चलो अब अच्छा है, but the real love is when you meet people and you greet them and that warmth. जब गले लगते हैं छाती
Yeah.
से छाती मिलती है तो मजा आता है यार. Like that is what I'm missing. क्योंकि
Wow.
शो
Yeah.
ऐसे मैंने किया, कल शो किया, मुझे पता नहीं है. यूजुअली मैं स्टेज पे किसी को बुला लेता हूँ, उसको बोलता हूँ कि भाई आधा गाना तुम गाओगे अब, और आई इंटरेक्ट विद पीपल, आई गो इनटू द क्राउड. सो वो करने को तो मिला नहीं ना एक स्क्रीन के आगे. वी जंप अराउंड, बट द बेस्ट पार्ट इज even though we can't meet them, but we have kept an environment that is safe enough for us to still interact and still
Right.
be with people that love us.
Right.
That
Over
was crazy.
3,000 people tuned in just on the Facebook video, by the way, yesterday. And
Crazy.
we had over 1,100 comments, and that number is still increasing.
It's an
And
experience, man. We started at the time जब Orkut नया नया आया था.
yeah,
तब social media was and now we are at a place जहाँ पे हमने घर पे बैठ के show किया है in front of a chroma screen, and we had a studio set up just for the show.
right, I heard.
Crazy, yeah.
Okay, we'll just do a quick welcome to everyone here. Everyone, welcome. This is the Sunfeast Dark Fantasy Co presents Supermoon House Party, powered by Jeep. You're here with Raftar. If you have any questions, please leave your questions in the chat. Also, a little tip. I'm going to be asking Raftar a bunch of questions. Your job is to keep a track of the answers. We're going to ask you a bunch of questions about Raftar at the end of this. And if you get all the answers right, we're going to pick out a few of you to walk away with a bunch of vouchers. So we'll get to that in a little while. But until then, Raftar, man, have you been working on anything new during the lockdown?
Yes, bro. Like, it's not just me. मेरे को आप screen आप ना भाग जाते हो screen. So I have to pinpoint out. हाँ, तो गाने बनाने को मौका मिला है बहुत ज़्यादा. Because now you're in home and you're completely in my studio and just thinking about music. और मेरे साथ best ये है कि it's not just my music यार. मुझे releases का पता लगता है अचानक से कि कलमकार is doing a release, and then I get the final cut of their video. Just a day before it's going on YouTube. So I'm going through that. So the whole process of seeing people around me make music is also beautiful because सब घर पे हैं पर कोई फोन से वोकल रिकॉर्ड करके भेज रहा है, कोई फोन से मेलोडीज रिकॉर्ड करके भेज रहा है. So it's nice. Like you're updating yourself. It's evolution. यही म्यूजिक का evolution है. From the time कि जब स्टूडियो में सब बैठ के instruments play करते थे and everybody had to be on sync, to the freedom कि अब कोई फोन पे रिकॉर्ड करके भेज सकता है. Somebody can just transport a MIDI file of the melody you have made and send it to each other. It's crazy.
Yeah. And I think a lot of us are also evolving with the times. We're learning how to work with what's...
हाँ मतलब सिखाया है definitely. इस time में लोगों को घर पे बैठ के self sufficient होना सिखाया.
Right.
मुझको खाने बनाना.
There's one person who's messaged me privately. Laksh, if you could put this message...
there's a chat below. Let me click on the chat.
Yeah, man. It's so cool. Okay.
Laksh, I'm right there.
Laksh has asked, Raftar sir, when are you coming to Chennai? he came 3 years ago to do a show in Chennai, and that's the time I fell in love with hip hop. That's big right there.
Oh
You
man,
made
love.
someone
I
fall
think
in.
I came to Chennai not for a solo show. I must have come with RDB back in the day. But as far as I
Okay,
remember, whose question was it? Lakshya's.
his name is Laksh
Hey
Agarwal.
Lakshya, I see you, man. Doing your hand. Love you too, my brother. So did you see me on a show? Just nod. If you can't unmute yourself, just nod. Okay. So did you see me on a show as me alone, or was I with like a group of people? Right, RDB, definitely. Okay, yes. Definitely soon यार एक बार ये लॉकडाउन वगैरह खत्म हो तो यही करना है मतलब that is my life, that is the life I chose to come to your place and perform for you all.
So, talking about Chennai, let's talk about the South very quickly. You have a little bit of a love affair with the South. Recently, you did that. Not recently; it's been a while.
बस
But
ज्यादा नहीं खूब मेरा मलयाली है
you 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 worked with Brother V, and that was one of the hottest tracks to ever come out, and it changed so many things in the hip hop scene in India. What was that
So
like?
there's another track like that I'm doing right now. It's called Greatness.
Oh
Like I
wow!
haven't announced it yet. This is the first time people are finding about it. So it's
Woo!
called Greatness. It features a Chennai rapper. His name is ADK, and he's insane. He's like a senior to me, man. And then there is Fejo on it again from Kerala, and then there is me at the end. So it's like a South Side connection. Like it doesn't matter what the language is. Hip hop is hip hop.
Damn. Yeah,
That's
man.
how.
Hip hop is hip hop. I mean, even though like language sort of differentiates us from time to time, but I think the music itself just makes everyone come together, right? And that's the
You
beautiful thing
retain
about
the
hip hop.
melody though, right? You retain the melody. मतलब पहली बार मैंने लूज योरसेल्फ सुना था तो मेरे को वो भी पूरा याद नहीं होता है मैंने का पर गाना जरूर होता था साथ में जितना भी आता है स्पैगेटी वगैरह मुझे जो लिखा होता था so it's just that man you connect and if you really love something you go and find out the meaning behind it, right?
Yeah, definitely. I'm gonna ask you a few questions. We have a few questions here. We're gonna start with you being a backup dancer. You were a dancer first before you became Raftaar the rapper.
Yeah, and instructor first then jumped into like it just weaved my way through the dance industry.
Right. Could you walk us through how you made that happen? How did you transition from the dancer to Raftaar?
So it just happened. कहते हैं luck has been on my side for the most part of my life. तो मैं किसी स्टूडियो में गया वहाँ पे हमारा वो कॉलेज का फेस्टिवल होता है ना कॉलेज फेस्टिवल्स like my college had Spandan and there was Bits Pilani, there was Anugunj. So these festivals were happening. Your college must have festivals too. तो उसके लिए प्रैक्टिस करने गई तो हमारा टीचर ही नहीं आया उस दिन. So I randomly started teaching my fellow mates and dance buddies that let's do these moves और थोड़ा सा एक कुछ स्ट्रक्चर बनाते हैं. And the guy who owned the place उसने देखा उसने बोला कि यार आप सिखाते क्यों नहीं हो बस मैंने सिखाना चालू कर दिया वहाँ से पॉकेट मनी आ गई. And from there I kept on dancing, went to DID. When I came back from DID I got this opportunity to do a video with Imran Hashmi and I was trying everything in life यार मैंने वो कर लिया. And जो सवाल पूछने वाले भाई थे वो अटक गए. मैं ही कुछ सवाल जवाब ले लेता हूँ. Any questions you can type in the chat, man, because now I'm reading the chat. पहले वो बता देना. When I coming to Singapore, whenever man यहाँ से बॉम्बे दिल्ली फ्लाइट लेने में इतना डर लग रहा है सिंगापुर तो अभी थोड़ा दूर है. बारिश भी बरसात में ही आ रही है और बरसात चल रहे हैं. When are you going to collab with Divine? Very soon. We are already in talks. So anytime. We were supposed to jam, but then Corona gave us a big break right in between. EPR के साथ भी गाना आना है and show क्या मतलब if I come to Kolkata, you definitely see EPR with me on the stage. That is a given. Is Vinny trying to come back?
Yes, I am back. Apologies for
Yes,
that.
he's back.
My whole app crashed for some reason.
ऐसे ही
The internet.
That's the madness we create.
Right. Okay, we're going to quickly jump into Raftaar from college or Raftaar from school. What were you like as a teenager? Can you give us 3 words that sort of described you as a teenager?
I was a dreamer, man. A teenage, like a dreamager will be a better term. A dreamager. तो वही था मैं बहुत सपने देखता था बहुत खुले ऐसे मतलब मैं बचपन से ही बात करता था लाख करोड़ बड़ा घर कोठी बड़ी गाड़ी ये वो ऐसे कर देंगे फलाना कर देंगे इतना बड़ा स्टूडियो होगा तो मैनिफेस्ट करा मैंने बहुत ये सोचना बहुत जरूरी था क्योंकि नाउ आई फेल्ट लाइक व्हाटएवर आई मैनिफेस्टेड हैज बिकम पॉसिबल सो नाउ आई हैव रीच्ड अ प्लेस वेयर आई वांट टू सी मोर ड्रीम्स सो एनीथिंग दैट यू डू starts with a dream. That is the spark, that is the seed. and you have to plant the seed, man. So I was just planting seeds everywhere, whether it's dancing, whether it's music, whether it's, it was just me living a billion dreams at the same time.
That's incredible. So I like how you're focusing on the dream side of it. Did you see all of this happening when you were younger, when you were a teenager? Did you think that this was going to be you? Let's say 10 years down the line.
Man, 10 years back, I was a wannabe. Now I'm somebody I wanted to be.
Oh,
That's how you start, right? So
Yeah.
बिल्कुल wannabe थे, बड़ा baggy t-shirts, baggy pants, उल्टी टोपी, नकली 50 सेंट वाला ब्लिंग जो बीच में घूमता था, कभी वीड का लोगो वाला ब्लिंग, तब अकल भी नहीं थी कि वो है क्या, कूल लगता था, खरीद लेते थे. It's all starts from there, man. पालिका का ब्रांड एम्बेसडर था मैं. On that note, let me show you me and Golu 11 years back. Like a
Okay.
picture nobody has seen. You'll lose your shit. Well, I am the guy in the white.
oh wow. Just pull it back a little, pull it back a little.
Yeah, I'm trying to see if now it's you're getting some. See.
Ah,
That's Golu,
okay.
and that is me.
Damn, son.
You see our pants, bell bottoms. Do you see those?
I see them and the fancy shoes.
Yeah, man. That's just for us.
Gosh, you've changed so much, man.
All from
I'm
Pali.
really, yeah, I'm really happy for all the success that you've seen.
Thank you, man.
What do you think? I'm pretty sure a lot of the young chaps here are all rappers. What do you suggest to a lot of these rappers? There's also a few ladies in here. Welcome, ladies. What do you suggest to these young rappers? How do you suggest they can make their way in 2020, 2021?
And there's only one way: make music, put it out. Make music, put it out. Because अगर मैं तुम्हें अपना route बताऊंगा, then you will turn into another Raftar, which is what you don't want.
Right.
For the most part, you have to figure out why you are different from me and all the others.
Right.
That is the first thing you need to figure out. कि when you make a song, तो आपका गाना मेरे गाने से या किसी भी ऐसे बंदे के गाने से जिसको आप सुनते हो ये जो already है उससे अलग क्यों है? Why is it that somebody goes out and buys a book that is by another author? अगर सब English में लिख रहे हैं या सब हिंदी में लिख रहे हैं तो it's not the language, it's the way you tell the story. So that is what you need to figure out. चाहे वो writing हो, चाहे painting हो, everybody uses the same colors, the same canvas, the same kind of brushes. It just, the strokes are different.
Yeah.
And the way
Yeah.
you use colors is different. The blends are different. So बस वही है, you have to figure out what is it that तुम्हारे अंदर वो क्या चीज है, क्या पता वो आपका tonal texture. For example, if I give you for tonal texture, अपना Othan is a rapper and he's got a great texture. So you figure it out. तुम उसका गाना सुनते हो तो मैं अलग से पता लग जाता है ये Othan का गाना है. Well, there needs to be something in you that gets registered, and then it's your writing ability as well. So, most important. But
So,
see, let me state it very clearly. Poets are also rappers.
yeah.
Poets are rappers. You know, but the only difference between a rapper and a poet is a rapper flows on beat, has different techniques of, reading out his own material to people.
Right.
Like an audiobook, like an
Yeah.
ebook that you can get these days, it's an audiobook on a beat. That's the only difference between a rapper and a poet. So you might be able to write really well,
Right.
but it's not necessary कि आप वो beat पे उसी तरीके से flow कर सको. So being able to rhyme and put it in that meter, in that bracket, is what makes you rap.
Okay. I know you're really pressed on time, so we're going to move forward very quickly. We have a bunch of rapid fire questions, and this is the time I'm going to ask the participants to pay attention
Hey,
to
is
the
anybody going to
answers.
speak to me, man? I came for the people.
You came for the
है क्या
people.
अपना भाई कोई बात करने को? सारी हर जगह से हर तरीके से बात कर सका.
Okay, so we're going to ask if you want to have a quick conversation with Raftar, leave a little message there. Leave a one line. We'll have the producers have a quick look at it, and we'll unmute someone at the end. Tell us what question do you want to ask him, and we'll have a conversation with the producers, and we'll get back to you. By then, very quickly, Raftar, can we do this while the producers are having a look at the questions?
No problem. Please.
Yeah. Okay, super. I'm going to ask you actually just 5 questions, not 10, just 5 questions. What is something that makes Raftar angry? What's something that bothers you? In one line. Something that really annoys you, ticks you off. In one line, tell us what is something that Raftar gets annoyed with.
Racism of any sort, yeah. Like segregation. Racism for me is like segregation.
Yeah.
Classification of individuals or castes or religions. Classification of any sort. Because
Perfect.
पैदा
Classification.
होते हो तुम बिना किसी टैग के पैदा होते
Division.
हो.
Division
और
classification.
yeah. Any
That's
kind of
something
classification, yeah.
I'm with you on that 100%.
Really
Second
interesting.
question.
Yeah.
What is it that makes Raftar smile? What makes Raftar happy?
Am I happy right now? It's being with the right people. It's sharing the same kind of energy. It's sitting among a lot of dreamers because मैं ऐसे सोचता हूँ कि यार ये इस एज में ये सब करने की सोच रहे हैं तो मैं थोड़ा कम सोच लिया तो मुझे और थोड़ा सोचना चाहिए. It's just what you take away
Right.
from people.
Right. So we're going to say being with happy people makes you happy, right?
Yes, like right now.
Dreamers, like right now. Third question, 3 more questions to go. Are you a cat person, dog person, or animal person?
I'm an everything person. I'm just a
Okay.
love person.
You're a love
Doesn't
person.
matter.
Okay.
But
Fourth question.
it's a very weird place. I'm a kind of a. हाँ बोलिए आगे. Fourth question.
Sorry to cut you off, man.
No, please go ahead.
Okay. Do you have any pre-performance rituals? Do you do something before you get on stage? Is there a warm-up of sorts?
Man, I still I'm very fearless on stage. I don't think I need to tell people that I'm fearless on stage.
Yeah.
Most of these people have seen a lot of memes of me being fearless on stage. Something that I kind of regret, like I shouldn't have.
Right.
But there's no ritual, man. पहली सीढ़ी पे पैर रखने से पहले मेरे को हल्का सा एक excitement, adrenaline rush. You see ना that sense of like I'm still like that kid who's getting that mic for the first time. But as soon as I step up and I see those lights and it's the screams, man. It just tells you why you started it.
Right. And
we
the
go back
last
to why we started all of this, the whole movement, like the whole walk towards our destination. I just keep
so you remember that this is something that you're privileged to do.
नहीं है दिमाग देखो हम इंडियन लोग हैं हिंदी पिक्चरें देख के बड़े हुए हैं एकदम मेलोड्रामेटिक हो जाता है दिमाग में वो सब बातें खुद ही फ्लैशबैक की तरह आती फिर हम स्टेज पे और क्या हाल है सबके is how the show begins and then it's just there always.
Damn. Okay, last question. If there is one thing that you can change about yourself, what would that one thing be?
Man, right now I wish I could tie my hair. ये वाले मान नहीं रहे. So that is one thing I could change right now. But apart from that, I don't think anything because it's exactly what defines me. All my mistakes and all my good decisions is what combined defines me, right?
Yeah.
So I wouldn't change anything in me. Like I would only get better. I will learn more. I'll turn into a better person by the day, by the time it's my time to be off. But that is it, man. Why would I change anything? If that is the only thing, we don't have control over time. If humans had control over time, you would manipulate it so much that everything would have fallen apart.
Right. Okay, so that's good enough for me. I'm going to put these questions out to the people listening.
And I like your beard, man. Oh, as soon as I said it, he started stroking it. I'm shooting it. I was like, I like your beard. And he was like, ah.
Okay, we're going to bring Pratham on live. But before we do, the questions that I asked you was what makes you angry, number one. By the way, everyone just listen in. You have to answer these questions in the chat. Answer all of them together and not separately. Number one, what makes Raftar angry? What makes Raftar smile? Is he a cat, dog, or an animal person? Does he have any pre-performance rituals? And one thing he can change about himself. Okay? Answer these. I'm going to repeat them one last time. What makes him angry? What makes him smile? Is he a dog, cat, or animal person? Any pre-performance rituals? Two things that he can change about, or one thing he can change about himself. Okay, answer that in the chat. We brought.
I know all of it.
Share the prizes with me. I'll tell you the answers.
I know it. Let me answer. Okay, so all the racism and everything makes you angry.
Oh, Pratham, mera bhai, namaste. Kaise ho? It was like the tone change हो गई थी. Please go ahead.
So जो भी racism and जो भी ये ritual ये फालतू चीजें आपको angry करती है, racism हो गया and all the casteism and everything.
फर्क किसी भी चीज का
फर्क कोई भी चीज का फर्क makes you happy. Your mom, Riri, and everybody you love. Sneakers.
Hey. Not anymore. Not anymore. I've been away from. I love shoes. The thing is that I went into my cupboard. बहुत filmy है. I saw there were a lot of them. I haven't used still, and I'm less of a materialistic person मानता हूँ. कि मतलब मेरे को लेने की जरूरत नहीं जितनी कि मैं इस्तेमाल ना करूँ.
Pratham, is there one thing you want to say to him? Because we'll have to put a few people on. One thing you
Yeah,
want to say
I
to
want to
Raftar?
see him. Where is he? Where is he? I lost his video.
Because पूरी screen पे तू है मेरे भाई. Friends लिखा है बाकी में इतना बड़ा बड़ा भैया भैया लिखा है.
Okay. I also want to record actually.
Book.
Okay. So I want to ask about your view on spirituality.
Ooh.
Bro,
Because a while back you had a live video with Sadhguru about it. So what's your view on it? What's your view on it?
For me, it's very simple. It's finding inner happiness without giving any disadvantage to another living individual or mistreating them. You find your happiness without any cruelty towards anybody else. That is real happiness. Sometimes just to be happy, you're looking out to tarnish somebody, give them a bad time. Not that. Just it's real calmness within. Like right now I've reached the place where I see trolls and stuff. Like it doesn't affect me because I kind of feel like they have the power and they're going to use it, and one day they are also going to get bored of it. So for me, that's spirituality: understanding what you need to react on and what not, and finding inner happiness.
Thanks, Pratham, for that question. Up next, we have.
देखो जिसका जो काम होगा ना, जो जिस फील्ड में होगा, उसके हिसाब से स्पिरिचुअलिटी का मीनिंग बदलेगा.
Thanks, man. Thank you for that. Harsh Gupta, you're up next. We're gonna unmute you. Ask your question, please.
Hello, sir. Big fan. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Oh, I can see you, bro.
Hello, sir. I'm a big fan. Oh my God, I just can't believe that I'm able to
I love you too.
get a opportunity to talk to you. And by the way, you talked with Pratham. He's my cousin, so we both are cousins. We joined together.
Nepotism, bhai.
No, there is nothing. No, there is no nepotism.
Harsh, what is one question you want to ask Raftar?
Sir, I want to ask you that after this COVID situations, are you planning any tour, like all India tour, or you are coming to Kolkata? Because I just want to attend your show, a live show.
Ma'am, it's like asking somebody on life support, would you like to breathe again?
I know. I just, like.
All are on life support right now, right? We all want to be out and about.
Oh my God.
How fun would it have been कि मैं तेरे को मिलता and I would have hugged you, and then you would have told me about everything else, and I would have asked you कि तेरा Wi-Fi कौन सा है क्योंकि तेरे सिग्नल इतने पूरे क्यों आ रहे हैं?
मेरे सिग्नल पूरे आ रहे हैं. I know. My Wi-Fi is just. I don't know what to say.
Thank you for your question,
It's
man.
amazing, bro. It's Wi-Fi amazing. I'm getting bad signals. You have signals.
Okay, thanks for your question, man. We're going to go to Akshat Gandhi. Akshat Gandhi, we're going to unmute you in a bit. Please ask your question.
1 second, man. Let me get my laptop's battery.
Sure. Akshat Gandhi, we're going to bring you, unmute you. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Super. Just keep your question ready. And to the rest of you, unfortunately, I can't unmute any of you. We have a producer who's on the back end, and the producer is handling everything. So unfortunately, there's no point in sending me messages directly on the chat.
Right here. हाँ बस ठीक हो जाएगा बस.
We have time for one more question.
Yes, please. I'm
Akshat
back.
Gandhi, ask your question.
Hi, sir. Big fan, sir.
Namaste, sir. कैसे हो? I like your cap. I like what's in your background.
Thank you, sir. सर आपका अरिजीत सिंह के साथ प्रोजेक्ट आने वाला था सर.
सर मैं उनके साथ काम कर रहा हूँ बहुत क्लोजली. अरिजीत भैया का ऐसा ना कि ही इज अ वेरी ट्रू इंडिविजुअल एंड अ वेरी ट्रू म्यूजिशियन. तो मेरे साथ काफी चीजें शेयर करते रहते हैं और हम कुछ ऐसा बिल्ड करने की कोशिश करते रहते हैं कि कुछ एक दूसरे की फील्ड को जोड़ के बनाया जाए. मैंने भी उनको कुछ गाने भेजे हैं. तो सुन, like I spoke 2 days ago. So yes, like I will never go and rush कि भैया मेरे को गाना करते हैं जल्दी करते हैं. He's like I will trust his art. और मैं देखना चाहता हूँ कि वो मेरे साथ किस टाइप का गाना करना चाहते हैं क्योंकि मेरे लिए वो एक्सपेरिमेंटल होगा. Like this is the new that I find every time. नया करने का मौका मिलेगा.
और सर बारिश ईपी में कितने गाने हैं सर?
मैंने गाने बना लिए, देखेंगे उसमें से ईपी में कितने डालते हैं. बहुत गाने पड़े मेरे पास. But
Thanks.
this minimum was 6. अब पूछा है भाई ने तो एक नंबर चाहिए होता तो दे दिया.
Thank you, Akshat Gandhi. Okay, we have just Raftar. We unfortunately cannot unmute him, but can you give a shout out to It's Your Boy MT?
लाइट मिली है इतनी बड़ी है, कोई वीडियो डालेगा कितना सही लगेगा. शाही लग रहा है एकदम. Please add somebody, whoever it is.
Right. Unfortunately, we cannot mute him, but just give him a
cannot.
shout out.
Ah.
His name is It's Your Boy MT. Can you give him a shout out if you don't mind?
Yes, if your boy MT, I see you in the cap, man. Right there, you have a hood on in summers. I like that because I also have a full t-shirt on. That's called Vibe. Like your back. And Anshul Tiwari ji, I love you. बिल्कुल मैं आपको इशारे करते हुए तब से देखता जा रहा हूँ.
So just
And,
give.
oh, Sumit, your little brother is here. He's trying to make a. See this one, this little one. Right there, Sumit Arya.
So we're running out of time. We're gonna quickly announce the results. The winners of 3 vouchers. One is a voucher for Gold's Gym, one is a voucher for Club Mahindra, and one is a voucher for Beardo. The winners are Sahil, Akshat, and Prithvi. Sahil, Akshat, and Prithvi, you guys walk away the winners today. Congratulations to all of you. I'm going to check and see. There was a lady here in the audience. Can we see if we can unmute her? I can't seem to find her. I'm going to request the producer to just double check.
There was one lady, and the only lady who had no reaction to anything.
I want to just give.
She was just waiting.
If she's still here, just give us.
I see Vidhi though. There's Vidhi right there.
There's
Love you
Vidhi.
too, sir. From an artist to artist, Meher.
Can we?
Anubhav,
Hello.
Hi, Vidhi.
kaise hain aap?
Hi.
How are you? Namaste, uncle.
I'm good. How are you? This is so exciting. I finally get to talk to you.
Where are you calling from?
I'm from Bombay.
You're from Mumbai? Oh.
Yes.
Yep. So how's the lockdown treating you?
I'm done. I just need to get out now. we're all done. Like you said, we're all on life support at this
That's
point.
what everybody needs to breathe. But that's
Yeah.
also something the air has cleared out, man. Like the pollution.
That's
has,
true. That is true. We have had better weather today than we had a couple of days ago.
And your
Thank
dog,
God.
that's making something in the kitchen, right? There's your brother.
Yeah. We're all working from home now, so they're everywhere.
Isn't that a boon that we can? Like we did a show from home, yaar. We need kya wala, man.
Let's do it.
We all
do it.
We need to make, we got to make it happen.
We kind of prove to the world that we don't need to crowd the streets for everything that we need to do. And घर पे बैठ के भी we can do everything and it's doable. Oh man.
Thank you so much for joining us. We're going to try
Hey,
and
they
get.
muted you, but anyhow, Vidhi, thank you. It was nice talking to you.
I have a quick question if
Oh, please
you
go
don't
ahead.
mind taking an extra
Go
one.
ahead.
Do we
go
have
ahead.
time for
Oh,
that?
that was very gangster. Yeah, go ahead.
Sorry, I have a question. There is not a lot of, I'm sorry being like this, but there's not a lot of women in hip hop. And I was just wondering if you have any thoughts on it, and also who your favorite women artists are.
Yeah, I never look at it like there are not a lot of women because we are welcoming everybody. Anybody who writes can come and is a part of the hip hop fraternity. You know, like I know a couple of people like there is Mrunal Shankar, there is Janvi, there is Agzi, there is Star Nick, all this. Like I know a couple of people who do it because they come out and put their stuff out, right? If you're a rapper, you're sitting at home and just writing stuff and not getting up and making a video or making a song, then it's definitely you're keeping your art to yourself. How will we discover you? So you need to come out. Your stuff needs to be out. So I have people who keep sending me their songs and very nice MCs. And like in fact, Brunel has a very good line in one of freestyles where she's going like, "Before I'm an MC, before I'm a MC," and that line really struck me because that's the truth. We are MCs. It doesn't matter if it's a guy or a girl.
Thank you so much for your question, Vidhi. Raftar, we're going to call it a wrap. What we're going to do right now, we're going to call this a wrap. And what we're going to ask everyone to do, Raftar, you get to choose a particular symbol, a hand symbol that people need to hold up. It can be anything. One symbol that everyone has to hold up, and we're going to get a group picture of everyone together.
Man, let me get everybody frazzled. Let me get you bad fingers, guys. Twist and turn.
Damn, what is that? Is that right?
So it's the middle finger, you touch the center of it, and then
Okay.
you use the thumb to do a cross, and then you turn it into an R sign.